Traders, I'm just going to quickly run through the trades from last week, recap, see how we went, and see how we could have made a difference if we'd have taken a slightly different approach. Running with our trend continuation strategy, this one was closed at 0.44 gain. I just wanted to lock in profits, and then we re-entered short here, only to get taken out. We've had some incredible volatility midweek, as you saw on the chart, and what could have been done differently with this, or would have been to pull the stop loss to break even around this level here. Either that or close it and do what I did with the first trade, possible re-entry here if I thought this was still going to go short. But I'm thinking moving stop loss to break even would be the way to go, and if the stop loss gets taken out, then it's no big deal. That would have been a better course of action. So we had a winning and a losing trade here. Aussie Swiss. Yeah, again, we got caught out with this midweek thing. My strategy is to look for the pullback and go with the trend. But again, we got caught out midweek. Previously, it would generally work out that we see a trend for the week and the reversal happens at the end of the week. I mean, this occurred on Wednesday. This is all Wednesday and then Thursday. So I'm going to be taking a bit of a different approach this week. Maybe mix up higher time frame and lower time frame trades. And again, I'm going to be looking to move the stop loss to break even when we gain a bit of ground with these. Aussie yen. This one I closed at 0.56R. Aussie New Zealand. Yeah, this one was a short on the lower time frame. I took this on a 15-minute or a 30-minute chart and ended up closing it at 0.28R. I'm on a 4-hour chart here, but this was a lower time frame. As you can see, tight stop loss. Bitcoin, again, looking for the continuation here. This was a pullback into this level here. Took it short. Have a look at how this strategy works, and you can see that it's definitely the thing to do. But we're getting some really aggressive pullbacks. Okay, so if we took a short on this pullback, stop loss above here, see where they take where they take price. That's a stop run, and it trades all the way into this yellow line. This is a previous daily high or low, and it whips through that, and then it continues. Now you got to stick to your rules, and it's going to be a trend continuation. I'll always stay with this. But at some stage at the end of the trend, you get a bit of a surprise, and you never know when that's going to happen. This was midweek, caught us by surprise. Okay, as we know, the outcome went the other way, and this one was a stop loss hit. Next one was the Euro Swissy. Yeah, everything went the other way midweek. This is Wednesday. The whole market shifted gears. This one we closed in slight profit. I actually entered short up in here and decided to shut it down around here. We came out ahead on that one. Not easy trading, guys. Look at it. When you get moves in the market like this midweek, when you got a bunch of trades open. This one closed at break even. I was looking for a sell. Euro Kiwi. This one closed at break even, slightly negative. Just wanted to get out of that. This was a lower time frame. I took it on a 15 or a 30-minute chart, I think. Tight stop. Just looking for a little bit of continuation because we saw this lower high here. So that one was closed at break even. Pound CAD going for a sell. Look, have a look back here. Trend continuation. If you catch these, you're going to come out ahead. Okay, every now and again you'll get caught out with a bad week. Okay, that one got stopped, but these two are okay. I'm back in here. You've got to run with the strategy, and it works out quite well generally. And every now and again you're going to get caught with a basket of trades that run into trouble. So midweek everything went against, and so the rest of the week was in recovery mode, and we did pretty well actually. We came out break even towards the end of the week, pretty close to break even, slightly negative, and I would call that pretty good outcome. And now from that, I'm gearing up for the coming week with an idea of setting up a break even, moving the stop loss to break even early, and whatever trades are winning trades, I'll let them run. You see, look, there's the strategy. But again, this whole thing around the midweek impacted the entire markets. So it wasn't just limited, to any certain currency pairs. The whole markets were impacted. Yeah, I mean, and that went against us on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, everything shifted gears on Wednesday. Pound yen. All right, that kept going. Closed this one at 0.59R. That could possibly continue short, but be careful. We've got this spike under. Anyway, I'll have to have a look and see. I haven't had a chance to go through everything yet. It's still well and truly before the London Open, so I'll do a pre-market prep. Maybe do another video shortly. So pound yen short. That was okay. Kiwi yen short, I think. Yeah, this is the end of the week, and then we shut that one at 1R. That was a lower time frame. We had a tight stop on it. And I'm just copying the levels over from VIP. So that's what we were up against last week. We came out slightly less than break even, and I'm actually looking forward to approaching this week with a plan of attack being trend continuation, maybe 30-minute time frame mainly. We'll see. I might mix them up, and pulling stop loss to break even really early. I'm just letting the winners run. Okay, an example will be short position. Let's say we took this short here. I'll go for maybe a 3R to start with, and as soon as we gain a bit of traction, stop loss comes down to break even. And I mean, look at this, how it just kept running, and then I might let it run to the end of the week and see if we can gain some distance with some of these that win that end up giving us a nice return. Okay, so that's going to be the approach, and I'll do another video shortly, and we'll do a bit of a pre-market prep. Okay, that's a wrap for last week's trade signals in VIP. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.